Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to see use in operator with the sets or dictionaries. Now why to do so? In checks are faster with sets and dictionaries in comparison to with lists because the sets and dictionary uses the hash tables. Okay. Now if I'll elaborate it more, then we can say that sets and dictionary use a technique called hashing to store their elements. Now, each element in a set or a key in a dictionary, okay, because set is a unique and the keys of the dictionaries are also unique. So I'm only talking about the unique values, okay. So each element in a set or a key in a dictionary is assigned a unique hash value, okay. So the what happens when we store a unique hash value? This helps in determining whether the element should be stored in a memory, okay. Now, so when we do the checkup, okay, when we check that if an element is present or not, so then what does Python does? The Python calculates the hash, okay, and directly looks up for that memory location, okay, where the hash value means where that hash value is matching. It directly goes for the memory location, okay. Now this makes the membership checks as an this one O1. This is constant time complexity, okay. It means that uh, regardless of the size of the set or the dictionary, it will take a similar means it will take same number of means it will take same time, okay. If the set is small or big, it does not depend on that, because the elements are getting stored as a hash value in the memory. So then it will take, for every element it will take the same time, okay. If the set is big or small, it does not matter. Same goes with the dictionary also, because dictionary also use the same technique, okay. Now what happens in list, okay. In list what happens, list the elements are stored in a sequence, okay. So when we go for checking for membership, it requires a linear search. Now checking element one by one, so because of that it results in on. It means that it means that it will be means the time complexity will be dependent on the size of the list. So if the element is present at the first place in the list, so it will take less time. But if the element is in the middle of the list, okay, so it will take more time. And if it is in the last, then it will take more time. So it is dependent on the size of the list. So because of that, it is said, okay, and it is suggested also, so whenever you're going for membership checking, so use sets or dictionaries, okay. Now I have created a program, okay, in which what we are going to do, we will check the time taken by the set and the dictionary, okay. So we have done, we have first imported the timeit module, okay, and from the timeit module we are going to use the function timeit, okay, which we which is used to execute a particular block of codes that number of time in the mentioned number of time, okay. So what we have done here, first we have imported that module, okay, then we have created a set, then we have created a function set lookup, okay, and that function is just doing what, is just returning an element 5 in my set, okay. Then we have taken a dictionary, again we have taken the keys of the dictionaries as 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and then we are again created a dict lookup function which also returns 5, means it is also used for checking, so it is returning 5 in my dict, okay. Now what we are doing, using this module timeit, we are using this method timeit, and then we are applying this function and we are executing it 10 million times, okay. Now why we are executing it 10 million times? Because uh, if we'll take a small value, suppose if you are taking 10 or 100, so execution is so fast that it can be done in microseconds or less than that also. So the value will come in some imaginary value, okay. So because of that, I've taken 10 million size so that it could take 1 or 2 seconds. Okay. So now we'll do what? Uh, we'll just print the object set time and dict time, and let's see the time. Okay. At what time is taken by the set and the dictionary when we are executing a particular membership task 10 million times. Okay. So the time taken by the set is 1.4 seconds and time taken by the dictionary is 1.45. Okay. 45 seconds. So set is more faster. Okay, now we'll do what? Now we'll again run the code, but this time we'll add the list also. Okay, so we'll see that how, in comparison to the list, by how much the set and the dictionaries are faster. Okay, so now these examples of this list and sets and this dictionary are very small, so the value will be not that much, okay, efficient, but then also there will be a little frequent distance on milliseconds. Okay, now you can see time taken by the list is, for doing the membership, is 2.23 seconds. Okay, but in comparison to that, set takes only 1.38 seconds and dictionary takes 1.46 seconds. So this is how you can see by approx 1 second, uh, membership checking is faster in set and dictionary. Okay, so whenever you want to go with membership checking in a large, if you have a large data set, so try to convert it into a set or dictionary and then do the membership. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video.